Here we are at week 20. This is the adapted 2018 version for Piano Partners. And the activity sheet is in front of me, so I want to go through it with you. We start with Willem. Willem is the by ear piece of the week. And they've learned a warm-up with the left hand that uses a crossover. They learned the crossover with Drum Song, where they crossed over their hand. Here we are with the left hand in position. Here's the warm-up. La, ti, do, re, mi, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la. And the right hand learned these chords. They've learned a la, do, mi, one chord, la, re, fa, four chord. Notice I moved the hand over to do that. La, do, mi, one chord, slide in. Si, re, mi, 5/7 chord, la, do, mi, one chord. For some children, they may not be able to reach this, so I've given them an adapted 2-note chords. La, mi, one chord, la, fa, four chord, la, mi, one chord, mi, re, mi, 5/7 chord, la, mi, one chord. Some of the children will play just the melody. Some of them will sing the melody and play the chord. Here's where I'm playing the melody with chords. Here's with 2-note chords. Here's another option. Willem, he had 7 sons, 7 sons, 7 sons. Willem, he had 7 sons, and this is what he did. 2-note chords. Willem, he had 7 sons, 7 sons, 7 sons. Willem, he had 7 sons, and this is what he did. These are all fine options. Now, this week, we learned the melody with the right hand, and we learned a very special fingering. We're going to learn how to pass the thumb underneath the hand, and to do that, they need to have a rounded hand position. If they can see their nails, that's not a rounded hand position. Now they can't see their nails. That is a rounded hand position. There's room underneath for the thumb to move under. The fingering for the warm-up is 1, 2, 3, thumb under, 1, 2, 3, and back down, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. So they're learning how to negotiate the keyboard. Here are the chords on the left hand. 1 chord, la, do, mi, 1 chord, the thumb moves by itself. La, re, fa, 4 chord, la, do, mi, 1 chord, si, re, mi, 5/7 chord, la, do, mi, 1 chord. 2-note chords. La, mi, 1 chord, la, fa, 4 chord, la, mi, 1 chord, mi, re, mi, 5/7 chord, la, mi, 1 chord. Here's with 2-note chords. Willem, he had 7 sons, 7 sons, 7 sons. Willem, he had 7 sons, and this is what he did. So this week, as they're working on Willem, there's so many ways they can do it. They can play the melody with the left hand or with the right hand. They can sing with chords. They can add chords. It depends on where they are on this ladder of development. All of them are fine. Okay, we move to the mystery song on page 15. So they're going to go to their book and they're opening up to page 15. And what they're learning on this piece, I find it in this book, it's a little out of order. It's here somewhere. Ah. There it is. All right, so this is the mystery song. And what they're seeing is that they see a bracket, and so they know that both hands will be playing at the same time, like this. They also are seeing that there's a melody being shown in the right hand, and we sing it. Do, so, re, re, mi, re, do, so, re, re, mi, do. Then the melody's moving to the left hand. Do, so, re, re, mi, re, do, so, re, re, mi, do. They're also seeing chords. 1 chord, 5, 7, 1 chord, 1 chord, 1 chord, 5, 7, 1. Now they're seeing chords being played by the right hand. 1 chord, 5, 7, 1 chord, 1 chord, 1 chord, 5, 7, 1. Now in their music it actually says in here C do. Mine doesn't say it, it's an older version. But they're noticing that this note here is our do. They're also noticing that this is our do, and we're in the key of C. So when they're playing this piece, they put the music in front of them, their eyes stay on the music, they put their hands in position, but their eyes are on the music. They feel the roundedness of their hands, and they're playing so that they're playing the chord and the melody together. All right, and they would continue in that way. And then the second line, they reverse it. That sort of thing. And of course, they would go through the whole piece. I'm looking for them to keep their eyes on the music, to be following the music as it moves, and that they're feeling the position as they go. All right, next activity is to do drum song. They've learned it in F minor. Different variations. Some of them will just play the melody. I'm asking them now to play the song in D minor. Notice. Okay, I'm not playing the whole thing. Just notice the hand position and in G minor. Okay, and then they've got to do this by ear. Then they get to choose a favorite piece from book 1, and they get to play it in 3 different key positions. 1 a day, that's fine. Then they're going to play the rhythm game using their practice disc and using the pink cards. That's just for familiarity. And then they go to page 14, back in their green book. Once they've done this, they're done. Go to page 14. They want you to take out minor melody cards 5, 6, 7, 8, 11, and 12. They don't have 11 and 12, so I'll be crossing those out. They choose 3 cards. They make sure the last card ends on La, so that would be the note that would have this as the final note of the card. They sing the composition, they copy the composition, and then they're going to play the composition. Be careful, they're using the correct cards. These are bass clef cards, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Well, that's the homework for this week, and I hope that they enjoy the piano.